Today I want to talk about a feature of our AD Plus cameras, our smart AI dash cameras. In my car here we've got the new AD Plus version 2 which we're testing out, which has forward-facing artificial intelligence or ADAS. And today I just want to talk about one of the features which is called headway monitoring, or it's essentially following too close. So the feature in here adjusts based on the speed that you're doing, and the measurement that we get is in seconds. So on high sensitivity, it's having a gap of 2 seconds behind the vehicle in front. Middle sensitivity, it's having a gap of 1 second, and then low sensitivity, it's 0.6 of a second. We also have a user-defined feature that you can set your own settings up to 4 seconds. So if it's heavier vehicles where you need a bigger gap, you can set that further out. And we're going to go for a drive and have a look at the R-Watch monitor in the vehicle and how that gives drivers immediate feedback to help them change their driving behaviour. And you'll get an idea of what a gap looks like, a second distance gap looks like when we're doing 60 kilometres an hour as opposed to 100 kilometres an hour. So let's jump in the car and we'll go for a drive. So the headway monitoring setting in my vehicle is set to 1 second, which is the middle range. So you can see at the moment, here we go, it's just hit red because I'm 1 second. So it gives you an indication about how close you are at 1 second when you're doing 60, 70 kilometres an hour. So at the moment we're doing 80 kilometres an hour, and that's our just 1 second or just under 1 second gap. That's giving me a red flashing notification on the screen. We're 1.2 seconds now. So we're now doing about 95 kilometres an hour, and that's a 1 second gap between the car in front. So it's a lot bigger gap when you get that speed up.